Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the healthcare chatbot using natural language processing. User have to first run the code, then it will generate one URL and you have to paste in any browser. Okay, it will open the web page like am I a chatbot? Based on your symptoms, I'll predict a disease. Okay, let's say hi and hi there. Are you having any health issues? Yes. Okay, tell me about your symptoms like pain while urine and ejaculation. Chatbot will reply pain while urine and ejaculation. It will predict the disease. Okay, treatment scans and the diet. So let's enter the number. Okay, after that it will show the doctor name, contact number, location, timing, and specialist. Okay, this is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language and Django web framework is used to develop the graphical user interface. If you're searching enterprise project ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you need, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.